Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, MESARASTARR, and we are about to do part 2 of my grab bag, Michael's grab bag, July 4th grab bags. So thank you so much for watching the first one. I really appreciate it, and I hope you guys are all doing well. So here we are, and we're gonna go ahead and dive into grab bag boxes number 2, or part 2 of this video. So the first thing is, you can see on my desk, it kind of blends in with my desk. Okay, you guys, this is like such a bargain. Okay, so this here, I'm going to show it to you. Let me go ahead and bring it up. This is part of the, this was normally, you guys, $110. And I don't know if you can see it all from where I am. I'm going to try to lower it without hitting my wall. So I'm going to show you how it's got like the ledge there. And there's what? 3, 6, 9 cubby holes. And it's so beautifully made. It has that vintage look to it. This was normally $110, and I got it for $4. $4. I know. I am like, I couldn't even believe it. Yeah. So the, I'm so excited. So this is either going to go in here, on the side of my space here for decoration, or it's going to go downstairs, and I'm going to put like picture frames in and everything like that for like my, you know, area downstairs. But you guys, this is so gorgeous. And I want to show you the back, the price. I'm going to see if I can actually hold it up. This thing is really, really heavy. Okay, I'll go ahead and show you the price. I don't know if it's showing in the camera, but $110. So anyway, there's that. I am so thankful to find that. Okay, let me go ahead and put that over there. It is a hard reach. Okay, here we go. Don't drop, don't drop, don't drop. Okay. All right. There we go. Okay, we're all good. We're good. That thing is like not easy to hold. Okay. The next thing I got was, I'm going to go ahead and show you this too. Okay, so this was also $4, you guys. This sign, Home Sweet Home. I'm going to back up a little bit so you can see how beautiful this really is. This like Americana tin. Look at this. Oh, love it. This is going to go, I don't know if it's all showing. I'm sorry, I'm trying to back up a little bit more. There we go. So this is going to go, we have a 2-story house. And so when you walk in, there's like a space, you know, you walk up, you can see upstairs, and there's a wall that goes, you can see it's like a double height space. And so I'm going to put this on like the top of our stairs. It's going to look so nice, like when you walk in, home sweet home, because there's no place like home. I love home. So yeah, home is very important to me. So anyway, I love this home sweet home. And this is $50 normally, you guys. So this was a really good buy. There's the 50. Sorry, it's upside down, but I want to show you that. I mean, I'm going to zoom in closer so you can actually see the workmanship on this. This is just beautiful. It's like that punch tin, you know, it's just so gorgeous. The detail. So $4 from $50. Unreal, right? Okay. So my house is like totally getting a makeover. Thank you. Thanks to Michael's. Okay. All right. The next thing, let me just put that back here. Okay. Okay. All right, here we go. So we have 2 more bags to go through now for part 2. Here we go. Here's the fun part. All right, guys. So let's just dig right in again. I'm going to open this up. It's just too hard. They tie these real tight. Let's go ahead and open it up. Wow, this one's packed high with stuff. Okay. So here we go. Oh my gosh. Whoa. Okay. Sorry, I'm trying to like break into this as fast as I can. Okay. Oh my word. Okay, I'm going to set this down here. Okay. The first thing I got is this stool, you guys. Look at this stool. This is so cute. You could put a planter on it. You know, it is so precious. Oh my gosh. This was normally $22. Now that is so cute. Like, do I have a planter? I don't have a plant to put on it. But just imagine like a real plant. Like it's like a, you know, little spot for it. like by the door even. So cute. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm sorry. I'm just so overwhelmed by this stuff. It just gets me every time. I'm just like, wow. Okay. The next thing I got was, it says Sundae Bar. Oh, that's cute. Sundae Bar. This is so cute. That's so cute. So, this was normally $20. Wow, that's gorgeous, isn't it? It's beautiful. That is beautiful. So cute. I'm going to put that back here for now so you guys can see that. Okay. Look at this beauty. Oh my gosh. Look at that. Wow. Oh my gosh. What? It's like, not whatever. No, I didn't mean like that. Like, what in the world is what I meant to say. What in the world? This is crazy. Home. I mean, that is beautiful. Oh my gosh. I am like so, like, I can't even, I'm beside myself right now. This was $50 to begin with. Look at this tag, you guys. It has a little metal hanger here, so I can hang it on the wall like that. And it was $50. It feels like, you know, it's like hitting the lottery when you get these grab bags. It really does. It's just, it's amazing. I love that sign. Gorgeous. I love it. Love signs. Love signs. Okay. I got a picnic basket. I was wanting one. Look at this. Oh my gosh. So cute. It even has like a rubber handle. And look at this, you guys. And it's insulated. Look at that beauty. Oh, that is so cute. Let me go ahead and put this guy down for a second, this stool. This picnic basket was normally, oh my Lord. This was normally, oops, this just popped up. This was normally $50 for this. Oh my gosh. $50. Wow. Wow, that's amazing. Look at this, you guys. It has even a little pocket back there for like, right here. A little like, where is it? A little net thing for like your ice or something to keep it cool. That is so cool. Like, that is so cool. All right. Love that. So, okay. Love that. Then, oh my goodness. Okay. So I got a ton of glow sticks. These were value pack. You get 15 in there. And look at this, you guys. This was actually a really good deal. I didn't even see this again. This was $5. And like, imagine back when 4th of July was happening and you could use your 40% off coupon. That would have been a really good deal for this because you get 15 pieces. But I mean, $5. That's a cool pack. So I got tons. There's 2 packs there. And 4 more packs. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that's 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, $30 in glow sticks. That is awesome. That is awesome. And you know what? These would be great party favor gifts too. It doesn't have to be just 4th of July, you know? It's like, so who doesn't love a glow stick? They're so fun. In fact, my kids wore glow sticks during 4th of July. I had them for them. I bought them, I think, at Walmart. I bought mine at Walmart. And but yeah, they love the glow sticks, you know, wearing them around 4th, you know, when you're doing your firecrackers because it's just like fun, you know? All right, so that was bag number 1 for this part 2 video. That is impressive, okay? I have $100 just in the sign, the picnic basket. The stool was $20, so $50, $100, $120 was like, that's like $150, $60. And then, yeah, so that's $160 in just one bag. Plus, I got that shelf, which was $110, and that sign. So we're looking at $250, $300. And this, I forgot about this thing here. That was like $20, I think. So yeah. All right, so we have one more bag to go through, you guys. Incredible, incredible, incredible. I also have something to show you I bought at the end that's not a grab bag, but I just want to show you what I bought. Because, all right, so here's bag number 2 for this haul. And let's go ahead and open it up. Okay, where do we start? Okay, yes. Okay, I have one of these. I know who I'm gonna give this to somebody I know. So they're gonna love this. So this is another $30 container. Look at you. This is just beautiful. It's just so beautiful. You know, I'm not complaining, but I do notice that the stars are like rubbing off. Look at that. See that? So, but that's okay. You just turn it, you know, it's fine. It gives it part of that vintage look, right? All right. So there's the inside of it too. Just very deep container. That's gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous. I love it. Okay. Then what else did I get? Okay. I got another one of these. So that's great. That is great. One could be for ice water. One could be for lemonade. Like so cute, right? So cute. Then that was normally $12. $12. Then I got a light up headband. Let's see if this, oh, okay. I don't want to pull the thing, you guys. Sorry. I don't want to pull it because if I do, it may not work next 4th of July, but it's actually still got the pull tab. This was normally $10. Let's see how it looks on dear old Sarah here. Yes? No? Maybe so? I can't see that far away. Okay. So anyway, but that's that. I'm going to keep it on for the rest of this haul because I'm feeling festive. Okay. Let's see. Okay, I got another one. Awesome, awesome. So cute. So cute. Okay. We got another stool. Beautiful, beautiful. So now we've got, this was normally $22. So look at this, you guys. Look at how fabulous. That's so cool. Okay. Do they stack? No. So $22 for each. That is so awesome. Okay. Then I got these little, what are these? The silicone molds. These were normally $5, and this is the stars. So cute. I wore my star earrings today for you guys because I'm doing 4th of July stuff. Had to get festive. All right. Then I got, oh, what is this? Oh my goodness. It's a Burlap Runner. Oh, I love it. I love runners. I love burlap. Oh, I love burlap, you guys. Like, just like I said, I should have been born in the Victorian period or what other period was it? I even like the Pioneer period. I know you guys are like, well, Sarah, they didn't have running water and all that kind of stuff, but just the charm of it, I guess. I don't know. It's just because there's some things that are like, you know, just the simplicity, I guess, I also kind of like of the olden days. But look at this Burlap Runner. Oh my gosh, this looks like it came from like, you know, great grandma's closet. Like, this is gorgeous. It doesn't show the size. Dry clean only. That might be a bit of a challenge. It's dry clean only, but look at how beautiful that is. Look at that, you guys. I'm trying to show you the texture. Beautiful. That is beautiful. Okay. I got some more cake molds. Okay, so I got another one of, or sorry, just I think these are molds. And then I got a actual USA one. Isn't that so cute? The shape of the United States. That is so, so cute. Then I got lots and lots of ribbon. So I'll just go ahead and show you really quick the ribbon. Okay. More ribbon. More ribbon. Ribbon. There's another headband, a light up headband. Again, it still has the pull tab, so nobody's tried it, so that's good. It'll work next year. And you guys, I got, this is what I wanted, a flag bunting, and it's burlap again. Isn't that so beautiful? Look at that. Oh my goodness, there's so many possibilities to use this. It looks like you could put it on a table, your window. That is gorgeous. That is absolutely gorgeous. Look at that. Oh, that burlap, so pretty. Okay, that, you guys, was normally $18. See, I got some more ribbon. Oh, I got a mini bunting one. A flag bunting. This was normally $8. It's like velvet. Look at how beautiful that is. It's actually got like, it's like on a keychain. It's like on some type of chain. Sorry guys, somebody's opening our door. Flag bunting. I'm not sure what this purpose is of this like silver thing there. But anyway, I'll figure it out. But look at this, you guys. Look how cute. So cute. Then I got another flag bunting. Oh my gosh, what is this? Okay, wait a minute. What is this? Frame card. What? It's broken. I think. No, I don't know. I don't know if this is broken. I think it's broken. I think it's missing the glass. I'm not sure. It says frame, and it might have held a sign or something because it has like a vintage looking like screw back. I'll see if the rest is in the bag, but that's a mystery item. I don't know what that is. That is like a legit mystery bag item. I don't know what that is. Okay, I got another flag bunting. This was normally $8. Then I got more ribbon. Sorry, I'm fishing here. More ribbon. One more spool of ribbon. And then another flag bunting. So that is awesome. So that is really cool. My friend who went with me today, she got these in her grab bags too. And she said that it'd be really cute to put it up on her stairs, which is a great idea. So I'll probably do that too because I got 3. What did I get? 3? No, I could like, you know, maybe 1 and then put these outside. I don't know. I'll figure it out. But so cute. So that is what I got for my grab bags, you guys. This is wild, right? It's like totally wild. Yeah, and again, I'm going to add up the total and then I will let you know what it would have been versus how much I bought, you know, how much each bag was. So it's always fun to see how much you saved. I love that. I love that. I remember I got these beautiful stools too down here. So, okay. So the last thing I bought, which is not part of the grab bag deal, but I want to go ahead and show you, is this candle. They're coming out with the fall candles, you guys. I had to get this. It smells divine. It came to $3.59. It is the Butterscotch Caramel. Let's see, Butterscotch Spice. Oh my gosh. This smells like fall. Like 100% like autumn, like butterscotch. It smells like butterscotch caramel. It just smells so, really, you guys, it smells really good. Like they had 3 or 4 different fall scents that they have on the shelves now. And this was normally $6. So I got it on sale. And oh my gosh, I cannot wait to burn this. I'm burning this like tonight because this, oh, I love it so much. So anyway, that's the color on the inside, just like butterscotch color. So darling. Anyway, so I wanted to show you that because this is a good buy on these candles. It smells really good. So with that being said, this is my whole Michael's haul, including all that up there and everything for part 2. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you guys so much for being here and for all your love and support. And I hope you had fun watching this video. And thank you so much. And I would love to hear what your thoughts are on what I got. And anyway, I will be back soon with my next haul. Until next time, guys, thank you again so much for being here and your support. I'll see you all real soon. Bye, guys.